What I find with small town life, you got people that will wave to you, strangers you don't even know. The stores, you know, with the lower population, they get to know you. So you walk into a store and they recognize you and you can carry on a conversation. It's that personality thing, and more personable is what I find with the small towns. My name is Richard Hutton. I'm production manager for Triodetic, which is a division of Plaintree Systems. I've lived in Arnprior for 8 years. I originally lived in Smiths Falls. Used to commute over an hour to Arnprior to work for Plaintree Systems. After about 2 years, decided to uproot the family, and we all moved to Arnprior to eliminate the drive. When we first moved, the house we were living in, we had to do some work. So we spent many nights, my wife and I, staying after work and doing some work on the house. Our new neighbors actually came over one night, introduced themselves, said they'd seen us many nights working there, painting and whatnot. And she brought a bowl of soup and thought that would help us out, having something warm to eat. So I thought that was great. You wouldn't get that in a large city. There's 2 large grocery stores in Arnprior, a lot of selection of food. Restaurant-wise, whether it's fast food, fine dining, we've got Thai restaurants, Chinese restaurants. We've got farmers markets in the summer on Sundays, and there's also vegetable stands even as well to get fresh produce. Arnprior has a lot of extracurricular stuff. We've got the Nick Smith Center, Community Center, there's swimming, hockey. There's a lot of community clubs to join. A lot of things for the kids as well, karate. There's a lot of clubs that can be joined. What I like about the Ottawa Valley is the access. There's so much to do, whether it's fishing. There's so many lakes with great fishing. Bonnechere Caves, if you want to go explore caves. There's golf courses. There's 2 ski hills, one in Calabogie, one in Pakenham. There's something for everybody to do. One of my favorite places in Arnprior is the Grove. The Grove is a section of forest right in the middle of town. My grandson and I love going there. It's you know, to walk with nature, with the trees, and in the fall with the fall colors and the animals there. It's a great walk. Another spot is Robert Simpson Park. It's a beautiful beach there. It's a great place to go have a picnic. In the summertime, there's bands that play there. It's a great entertainment. Living in a rural atmosphere, especially during winter, and you're driving to work, snow is obviously an issue, having to leave a little early to allow for the road conditions. The positives of living in a smaller community is you've got the less traffic, the less population. You got cleaner air. I think your mental health is actually better living in a small town versus a large city. I've been with Plaintree Systems since 2010. It's a great place to work. The people here I work with are great. The team I work with in Triodetic was a great team. We worked together, and it's a really great place to work. If anybody was to ask me whether to move to Arnprior, I would definitely say yes. Let us know. We'd welcome you here, and we're only 45 minutes from Ottawa.